How many healers here caused miracles through healing? Can you guys come and share a few things? Can I listen? Go ahead.
Nityanandam Swamiji. This is about one of my previous colleagues. She retired some 4-5 years ago. I accidentally had to pass that way. I thought, why not I peep into her house? I just peeped in. She was in such a pathetic situation. She had all the ailments, including hypertension, diabetes, asthma, arthritis, you name anything she had. I knew that, and she was taking a lot of tablets and all. That time when I went, actually she has been experiencing some hallucination and all for 2-3 weeks, and she actually in the bed she'll be jumping out like that, and her there were fluxing of her external limb, extreme part of the limbs and all. So she had consulted a doctor, and he had prescribed some medicine for this psychological treatment, and she had been taking that also. She was in such a pathetic look. I was so shocked because I knew her how.
For hallucination, I have one of the best foolproof, time-tested, 150% proved process. I can guarantee 200% it will work. In Tamil Nadu there is a temple, Mariamman temple. Mariamman is the Sitala Devi in the North India. South they call it Mariamman. There is a village temple. They have a unique way of worshipping Devi. On that one particular day every year, people will lie down like a dead body, and the family people will just carry that person around the temple, like how the dead bodies are carried, and brought back and put in front of Devi. The whole ritual may take some 10 minutes. And then the water poured on the Devi deity is just sprinkled on you. I have seen thousands of people walking out of this hallucination, delusion, this nightmares, and this kind of a night screaming, shouting, night walking, all these kind of things. That place has some extraordinary energy. Whoever I am not able to heal in their delusion, this night people get up and start walking, na? This kind of things, I'll send it to the temple. Next day they will become all right. I tell you guys, the temple name is Padagatti Mariamman. Valangaiman, near Kumbakonam. Near Kumbakonam, the Padagatti Mariamman, the temple name is Valangaiman is the place. Go there, that she is such powerful form of that Devi, terrorizing form of Devi. All your delusion, illusion, everything she makes it all right. Everything she will clear it in 10-15 minutes only. Over. You lie down and people carry you around the deity and bring it back and put. The temple is too small temple. Very small temple. ஏன்னா மொத்த கோயிலுமே 1.5 ஏக்கர் 2 ஏக்கர் தான் இருக்குமா? அவ்வளோதான். 1.5 acres only you have to go around. And I tell you guys, God. How many of you have seen the temple? Padagatti Mariamma. It's such powerful deity. Whenever I am not able to handle, because this crankiness has gone too much, I send them there, they become all right. I can guarantee this 200%. Anybody has any friends, relatives who are screaming in the night, in the sleep, walking in the sleep, kicking people in the sleep, doing all stupid things in the sleep, and delusion, who gets into some illusion, delusion, and starts screaming like ghost or black magic, this kind of things. Either bring them to Kalabhairava. If you can't bring them to Kalabhairava, take them there to the temple. That's it. It's just half-an-hour treatment. You lie down, 4 people will carry you around the temple, and you know a funny thing. So many people I have spoken. The moment they lie down like a dead body, and people start carrying, and only after they after they brought back, they come back to life. They feel it's literally one death.
சாமி இந்த ஆற்றுலேருந்து கொண்டு வருவாங்க சாமி. ஆற்றுல காலெல்லாம் கட்டி மூக்கெல்லாம் பஞ்சை வச்சு ஆற்றுல அந்த வருஷத்துல ஒரு நாள் திருவிழா நடக்கும். எல்லாம் வச்சு வாயெல்லாம் கட்டிடுவாங்க, துணி வச்சு கட்டிடுவாங்க. அங்கேருந்து பாடை கட்டி தூக்கிட்டே வருவாங்க 1 கிலோமீட்டர்.
இல்லை, அதனால தான் அது பேர் பாடகட்டி மாரியம்மன் பேர். அதுதான் சொல்கிறேன்.
ஒரு 2000-3000 பாடை வரும் சாமி அன்னைக்கு.
He is telling he has seen that festival, around 2,000-3,000 people. Like that, they will be dead and they will be carried. He is telling he has seen so many people, even on the nose they will keep the cotton. Means the person will not be breathing. that few minutes or few hours when they carry him around the temple, he will not be breathing by naturally.
வாயை கட்டிடுவாங்க, காலையும் கட்டிடுவாங்க சார். கையெல்லாம் இந்த கையெல்லாம் இப்படி கட்டிடுவாங்க, எல்லாம் கட்டி.
He is from that place. That is why he is telling the first hand experience. But I tell you, I can with my integrity I can vouch for the temple and that power of the temple in curing delusions and illusions. I have not it's not that 1-2 people. I have sent so many people. And always people came back 200% success. And you don't have to pay any money and all. You may just have to take 4 of your relatives to carry you. That's all. To carry you around the temple and bring you back. If they want to bring you back. And now that energy field of the Devi, it seems the Parvati did her tapas there. She did her tapas and she got out of her own Maya. She realized herself as a Yoga Maya and Parashakti and had the darshan of Mahadeva in that place. I have not seen a single failure still now. These 2-3 places, I have not seen a single failure. This is one of the very important place. 100% success rate. Go ahead, Salman.
Then I told her that I have been for this inner awakening and I have been initiated as a healer. Will you allow me to heal you through Swamiji's energy? She said, no problem, madam, anything you want, please do it. Okay, then I told her, you visualize, think about your own God who is close to me. She actually reveres Ganapati. So she did that, and I told her I will be coming regularly. When I told this about this to Satish, he said, you go there continuously, at least 11 days, 21 days you do that. So 11 days I could do, so I went. And the next day I carried one of the calendars, Swamiji's calendars. It was an extra with me. I just carried it to her house. Then I kept it on the table and then told her, now again, okay, we'll heal at least for 21 minutes. You imagine what happened the first day when she brought Ganapati into her this thing. Ganapati was there for some time, but he did not stay for long, and something like it went out of her vision. This time when she started visioning Ganapati, this time Ganapati was there, but he was wearing your turban and your mala and and I did that for like 5 days. When we did, her voice itself changed, and that was realized by one of her sisters who called her over the phone. And she stopped taking that tablets, and she's not taking any tablets anymore.